it's me, Pauline. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So today I'm going to do an unboxing video. I got this a few minutes ago and I'm so excited to open it, so I decided to film even though it's a bit dark. Actually, I'm so sorry about the video quality. It's really rainy right now in Graz, but I'm so excited to get this one. So this one is from FERRON. And if you don't know what FERRON is, it's a company based in the UK. It's animal cruelty free. It's a vegan company. They're very transparent. And I talked to the owner multiple times and she is lovely. So I messaged her and I said, I really want to feature your bag, and she gave me a 25% off. I'm so sorry. I think she's just running around. That's my cat. She's just so noisy back there, so please don't mind. But anyway, so I found out about this company through Despina K. I will link her channel and that video down below. And so if you find this brand interesting and you would want to try their bags, then you can try my discount code. You can give it to your friends or your family who doesn't want an off. A discount for a bag, right? It's better than purchasing it 100% of the price. It's always nice to have a discount code. I always search for it. So, okay, so I'm super excited. So let's open it. So actually for this one, the blue and the tan color, which is the brown one, they're out of stock. So I messaged the owner about it and she said that these two colors will be out in November or mid or end November. I'll try to confirm it. So if you are interested in purchasing those colors, you can actually pre-order. So you'll be sure that you're gonna get it by next month, which is nice. The delivery is very quick. I was very happy about it. And a little bit of an information about the company. So it's a UK-based brand. They're very transparent. You can talk to them and ask them about anything. FERRON, so that I will not make a mistake, I actually asked the owner about it, and it is derived from a Latin word, which means iron gray hair, or one who is habitually dressed in gray. So of course, if you hear the meaning of the company, you would immediately think of an elephant. So, which is interesting because the company's logo is an elephant. The owner is also a very, very avid lover of animals. She's an animal lover. So I really like her because I have a cat and she has a dog. So we're both animal lovers. And as a disclaimer, I am not vegan. I'm a bag fashion enthusiast, but I am very, very interested in checking out this brand. And if I can help you decide with your next vegan bag, then I am honored to do so. And so here it is. Oops. I actually have a different one. So I have the blue one and I think this is the black one. So for that one, I will upload the unboxing of that bag on my Instagram account. I'll put my Instagram account there. So please check it out. So at least I have one on YouTube and one on Instagram. So this is their logo. As I said, it's an elephant. I hope it focuses. Okay, so this one, and they put the vision of the company here. So I'll be reading it. So my vision for FERRON has always been to unify my love for animals with artistry of luxury. The bag is super luxurious. I hope you will wear my elephant logo proudly wherever life takes you. Your purchase supports Sheldrick Wildlife Trust and their efforts to rescue orphaned animals that are ultimately released back in the wild. Learn more. Okay, so this is definitely on their website, which I will link down below. Your satisfaction is essential to me. If you would like to get in touch or return the bag, please send me an email. Thanks again, Anya. Anya is the owner and the founder of this one, of this company. So here it is. I'm super excited. Okay, so while I'm reading the vision, it says there that They actually help orphaned elephants so that they can go back to the wild. So every purchase of this bag, they donate to the Sheldrick Wildlife Trust, 10 pounds if I'm not mistaken. So every time you purchase, you can actually help the animals, which is very nice. And okay, so here it is. So it has a dust bag and it looks very nice. The dust bag is, I think this is canvas. It's very thick, very, very nice. Okay, first impressions. Oh wow, this one is very different from the other one. So I got the blue one, which I'll show you in a while. So this one is black in gold hardware. It really, really looks classy. That's why I like this brand so much. It looks very expensive, but this is a classy bag that's actually affordable. The material is also very nice. I think it's this one is polyurethane and the one inside, the lining is microfiber, but I will confirm that in a while because I haven't researched much. So this is the logo of the brand. It's an elephant, that's why their name is FERRON. And okay, let's see. So it has two pockets. The design is very interesting for me because it's the trunk design. So I've never had a type of bag that's like this. Okay, so here is the strap. So it's removable, so you can use this as just this one, or you can use it as shoulder or crossbody bag. So for this one, it is adjustable. It has, I think, 5 holes. So you can adjust it depending on your height or body type. So this one, I mean, look at it. It's like a luscious red. Very, very nice. It has a slip pocket inside. Oh, so nice. So let's check the other one. I mean, design wise, it is very similar to the other one. They have one design in three different colors. So definitely it's the same, but I'm just amazed on how beautiful it is. I tried using the blue one. Last Sunday we went to Corinthia, which is my husband's hometown, and I tried using it. It was really convenient. So okay, it's very nice. Very, very nice. So for this bag, before I actually do a full review, I'll have to use it for a week or two so that I'm not biased, because right now all I can give you is just so good because it's so beautiful. Everything is gonna be pros, but I really want to give an honest review, so I'll have to use this religiously for 1 to 2 weeks, same as the other one. And of course, I'll be posting pictures on Instagram, so check them out. And yeah, for this one, I'll just do one review for the bag, for the blue one and the black one, since they're the same design and I can compare both of them. But I just cannot review it right now because it will be very biased, because I mean, it's so beautiful. So I think after a week or two, I would have more comments about it. And yeah, I guess that's it. I'll be showing you the blue one. I'll just get it. Okay, so this one is the blue one. It is also very, very beautiful. This one is the black one. So the black one is in gold hardware. The blue one is in silver hardware. So it actually is very, very nice and flexible. If you're wearing gold jewelries, then you can use this one. Black is such a versatile and flexible color. You can use it any season. You can use it in any event, which is nice. Of course, the blue one, for me, I'm a blue type of girl. I have a lot of blue bags, and for me, it's not so difficult to actually pair it when it comes to clothing, but a lot of people say that it's a little bit difficult. So, if you're worried about the color, then I recommend you the black one right now, if you want to try it out. But honestly, it's so good. So, for the lining inside, the black one has a red microfiber lining. Very, very, very beautiful. It's like the Rouge lipstick of Chanel. Anyways, this one has a different type of color inside. This one is it's a bit creamy, which is very nice. It smells good as well. So both comes with this FERRON dust bag here. Both comes with an adjustable, removable strap, which is very nice. Okay, so they all come with this one. The only difference was the other box has this message, and it says, what's that? It would make you smile, and it did. So, yeah. Okay, so I'll just give you a quick overview because this is not a review video yet. Okay. So they all, oh wait, this one's the opposite one. They both have the logo, of course. Everything is the same except for the color, the lining inside, and the hardware. There's actually one more color, as I said, the tan one. Honestly, if I have enough money, I would get that one as well. It's so pretty. Okay, so if you have any questions about this bag, feel free to message down below. I'll give you more information about the company, about the bag, shipping, everything about the brand, material on my next video about this one. This is an unboxing video I will post. Of course, she's here. Anyways, I will post a review video about this after 1 to 2 weeks so that my opinions would be unbiased, of course, and of course, I need to use them to give a review, right? So check out my Instagram. It's gonna be here or here. Anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to message me on my Instagram or down below. And I found this bag because of Despina, so I'll also link her channel down below. If you are interested in trying out this brand, I will link the website and their Instagram page down below. Also, you can use my code. I'll put it here. And I'm telling you, it is such a beauty. Okay, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more about bags and traveling around Austria and Europe, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!